Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry TV. So today I want to use this video to explain one important aspect of chemistry that a lot of students actually have issues with, but they can't actually understand it here, which is called writing simple binary ionic compounds. So this is going to be a series video where after this video here, when I'm going to teach you how to write binary ionic compounds, then in the next video here, I'm going to show you what simple way and formula you can use to what name this binary ionic what compound. You get that? So you want to pay close attention. I can tell you for every chemistry exam, this question under this aspect normally comes out. So you want to pay close attention. So therefore, ionic compound. So what is ionic compound? Ionic compound is formed between metal and what non-metal. So when we talk about ionic compound, is ionic bond or ionic compound. They are formed between metals and non-metals, and it involves what the loss and gain of electron just between the metal and what non-metal. So metal give out the electron, while non-metal will accept the electron. Now the reason why they do that here is to work for them to what obtain the octets or the stable what configuration. So in order to what to write ionic compounds, therefore you need to what know the ions or the oxidation state of what of the element or atoms involved in that compound. So you must know the oxidation state of each of the element, because it is the oxidation state you exchange for them to form that compound. If for example here they say you write the ionic formula between sodium and nitrogen. Idea. So how do you write the ionic compound between sodium and what nitrogen? So this is what you want to pay close attention here. So therefore you have to what know the oxidation state of sodium. I have to what know the oxidation state of what of nitrogen. So now to say what is the oxidation state? Oxidation state is formed when metals lost electron and when non-metal accept electron in order for them to obtain the octet electron. Do you understand? So how many electron will sodium lost for it to what to attain the octet electron? Do you understand? So if you look at sodium here, sodium is what is 11. I there 11. You understand? Which is what 281. I there. So if you have for sodium to obtain the octet electron, it has to what lose this outermost electron. Do you understand? So when you lose the outermost electron, it's not going to form what Na plus. It's not going to be 2 8. On the other hand, nitrogen is what 7, right? We're going to be what 2 what 5. You just understand? Now for nitrogen to obtain the octet electron, it has to what gain 3 electrons. Do you understand? So I can become 8. For it to do that here, so you have to accept 3 electrons. Now when you accept 3 electrons, that's going to be N3 minus. Do you understand? So metal, now when metal lose electron, they become positive. When non-metal gain electron, they become what negative. Do you understand? So this one here is by the amount of electron they gain or loss. You put it here. So the reason why it's just plus here is because it have got gain or electron. And the reason why it's 3 minus here because it have what. Now the reason why is what plus 1 here because it have what lost 1 electron. And the reason why it's 3 minus here because it have what gain 3 electrons. So it's going to be 2 what 8. Do you understand? So now when you want to write their ionic compound between two of them here, so you got to do what Na plus slash what N3 what minus. You see that? So yeah, how do you now write the ionic compound here? So that would be Na, which is what 1, N, which is what 3, right? So this guy will move here and this guy will move here. Do you understand? So this is what you are going to get Na3 N1. So but they don't put it 1 here, so you just have to leave it like that. So this is called the ionic compound between, or ionic formula between sodium and what nitrogen. Do you understand? Now you have to master the monoatomic ions, so it will display on the board here. So you have to copy it down. Know that what the monoatomic ion like calcium here. Calcium is what 2 plus. Like aluminum is what 3 plus. Now phosphorus is what 3 minus. Fluorine is what minus. Do you understand? So there are things you have to take note of when you are writing ionic compound. Do you understand? So the picture will display on the board. So you have to pause the video and copy them out, so that when you're writing ionic compounds, what you have to do here is to what make sure you know those what oxidation states before you can what to write the ionic compound. Another thing I want to pay close attention here is called polyatomic what ions. Polyatomic ions. So these are a group of atoms coming together to form one or a common ions. They are called radicals. They share common ions. Do you understand? So you have to take note of them here. A good example is we have XO4 2 minus, SO3 2 minus, NH4 plus. Another one here we have NO3 minus, NO2 minus, and so on and so forth. So it will display on the screen. You have to pause the video and take them down, because these are things you are going to use when you are writing ionic compound. Do you understand? Another thing you want to understand here is that there are some atoms or metals that have variable oxidation states, like the transition metals. They have variable oxidation states in the sense that now they can lose more than one electrons. Do you understand? So they have variable oxidation states, like the copper, the nickel, the zinc, and the rest. These are elements or metals that have variable oxidation states. So when you are naming, or when you are writing polyatomic ions, now when you are writing ionic compounds, you have to put those things into consideration. Do you understand? So they will display on the screen. You have to copy them out. Do you understand? So we have what monoatomic ions. We have polyatomic ions. We have metals with variable oxidation state. These are key things you have to know when you are writing binary ionic compound. Do you understand? So let's move to practice sessions. Look at what the first set of questions is, that write the chemical formula for the following pairs of ions. So we have each of them here. The good thing here is that they have given us what each of the oxidation states. So it's not that difficult again, you get. So but you have to know the oxidation state, like those picture I say you should take down there. Make sure you take down. They are all monoatomic ions. So now when I say monoatomic ions, guys, they are single atom. They are all single atom with oxidation state. So that's why they are called monoatomic ions. So let's get into the first one here. So the first one is what? Na plus Cl minus. That is sodium have to lose one electron in order to obtain the octet. Chlorine have to gain one electron. Do you understand? So what is the ionic compound between two of them? So you have Na plus like Cl minus. So it's going to be Na, which is 1, right? Cl, which is is 1. Do you understand? So this one move here, there move here. So you have Na1 Cl1. Do you understand? So but you can ignore the 1. So it's going to be NaCl. That is it. So the name of this is called sodium chloride. Please, in our next class here, or in our next video, I'm going to teach you how to name this compound. So I don't combine two things at the same time. So that is why you want to subscribe to the channel, so that when I upload the next video, you will just be notified. You get. So that is what the first one here, NaCl. So let me look at the second one. So the second one is what? Ca2 plus and what? O2 minus. Now the oxidation state of calcium is 2 plus, because that was to lose 2 electrons in order to obtain the octet. While oxygen is 2 minus. So the oxidation state of oxygen is 2 minus, because it has to accept 2 electrons. So how do you write their ionic compound? So it's very easy. So it's going to be Ca, which is 2, O, which is is 2, right? But guess what? You have to express them to their lowest term, or their lowest ratio. 2 can go into 2, right? 2 go into here 1, 2 go into here 1. So it's not so normally if it's supposed to be like this here and here to have Ca2O2. But you have to express them in their simplest ratio. Do you understand? 2 going to 1, 2 going to 1. So it will be CaO. Get CaO, calcium oxide. So that is it. So now let's look at what the C part. Let's look at what the C part. If you look at the C here, we have Mg2 plus and Br what minus, right? So going to be Mg, which is what is 2, Br, which is what is 1. So this one move here, this guy move here. What are you going to get? You got going to be Mg1, Br2. Can you see that? Mg1, Br what 2. So that would be Mg, Br. So I want you to do this one for me. Try this for me. Leave at the comment section. Let me see what you can do. I believe you can do the remaining one, right? If you can do the remaining one, leave at the comment section that you can do the remaining one. Then leave the answer at the comment section. Just leave your answer at the comment section. So let's move to the next set of questions. So let's look at what question 2. It says write the chemical formula for the following pairs of ions. So now this one involves monoatomic ion or polyatomic ion. So here we have monatomic ion, here we have what polyatomic ion. So how do you write it? It's very easy, just like this first one we have done. So but now let me show you here. So now when you write one here, it's very easy. So it's going to be Ca2 plus and OH what minus. Do you understand? Now this one is calcium here is 1. OH, they're regarded as 1. But there are 2 elements, but they are regarded as 1. So this is what I want to do here. So going to be Ca, which is what 2. Now OH is going to be in bracket. OH going to be in brackets 1. So now why is it in brackets? So that now anything that is affecting will affect all. So the polyatomic ions must be in brackets. So this guy will move here, and this guy will move here. So what are you going to get? It's now going to be Ca1. Remember, this is already in bracket. It's now going to be OH, which is what is 2. Can you see that? Now they don't put the putting one here, so now going to be CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. That is name. So let's move to the next one here. So let's move to the next one. So if you look at the next one, so you have Mg2 plus and NO3 minus, right? So add which one here? Remember this NO3, they are what? They are polyatomic ions. So going to be Mg, which is what is 2, the ion here, right? Then NO3, right? This one is minus 1, so going to be what? 1. This is that. So this guy will move here, and this guy will move here. So what are you going to get? You're going to get Mg1. Then you have NO3 2. So but they don't put the one here. So going to be MgNO3 2. That is it. It's difficult. So please, if you're following this class here, please leave a message that you're following this class. And if you understand what I'm doing here, please I actually want you to give me a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any other video content I'm going to upload. Do you understand? It also show a way of you supporting this channel. So you can pause the video and try this one for me. Pause the video and try this one for me. Let me see what you can do. Just pause the video and try that for me. Leave your answer in the comment section. So if you do that, here we have what? Al3 plus, and here we have SO4 to what? Minus, right? So what I want to do here is that what? Al, which is what is 3, right? Now this one is minus 2, so going to be, so SO4 will be in brackets. SO4 brackets, then this 2 here. Can you see that? So this guy will move here, this guy will move here. So what I'm going to get Al2. Remember, this one is already in bracket. It could be SO4. Then here we have what 3. That is it. You can see as it's not that difficult. So do the remaining one for me. Let me see what you can do. So do the remaining one for me. But let me do E for you. If you look at E is what? NH4. Now this is in a bracket, so you put like this. 1. Do you understand? Then here we have CO3. Here we have what? 2. So this guy move here, and this guy will move here. So here we have what? NH4 2 CO3 1. Do you understand? But this one does not really have any effect, so you can just ignore the one. So it's going to be NH4, which is 2 CO3. Ammonium carbonate. Do you get that? So that is the name of this one here. So you can see how easy it is. So let's move to the next thing here, very important. So now let's talk about the question 3, which we are going to end this class with. You get, so here we are bringing up our metals with what variable oxidation state. So if you look at this compound here, A Fe2 plus Fe3 plus, that is iron can exist as what? You can have the oxidation state of +2, I can have the oxidation state of +3. The same thing with chromium, zinc can also be +1 or +2. So there I stop here. You get, so you have to take note of those metals with variable oxidation state. Now because they have variable oxidation state, they're going to form variable ionic compounds. Do you understand? So if you look at the first one, you see the same process. So just that this metals have variable oxidation state. So if you look at the first one here, Fe2 plus and Cl minus, right? So Fe, which is what is 2, Cl, which is what is 1. So this one move here, this guy move here. So you have now what? FeCl2, right? Now if you check this one here, Fe3 plus slash or and Cl minus. So if you check there, we're going to be Fe, which is what is 3, Cl, which is what is 1. So this one move here, this one move here. So what are you going to get? You're going to be FeCl3. Do you understand? So iron can form two different compounds with what? Chlorine. FeCl2 and what? FeCl3. In my next class, I'm going to teach you how to name all these things here. So that is why you want to subscribe to this channel. So when I upload the next video, you take note of it. You get that? So that is it. That is for this one here. So you can, I believe you can try this one, you can try this one, you can try this one yourself. Leave at the comment section. These are your practice problems. You have to practice them, understand them. If you have any questions, leave at the comment section. The same thing with that one here. So I'm going to try this one. Then you do the remaining for me. It's just like what we have already done in our previous examples. So just like this one that I have polyatomic ions. So here we have Fe3 plus and XO4 2 minus, right? So here we have Fe, which is what is 3, SO4, which is what is 2, right? Remember this one must be in brackets because it's polyatomic ion. So this guy move here and this guy move here. So what are you going to get? You're going to be Fe2 SO4, which is what is 3. That is it. So that what is going to be. So we're going to end this class here for this video, but class continue in our next video. So please subscribe to the channel if you have not done that, and like and comment. You get, please drop all your answers in the comment section. I will check it, I will look at them if they are actually correct. Thanks for watching. See you next video.